Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to SSSniperWolf channel analytics. SSniperWolf Room has uploaded 2,614 videos. She now has 26.1 million subscribers with a total view of 11,139,913,763. She's from US. And her channel type is entertainment. She created her channel since January 20, 2013. The grade she got is A+, and her social blade ranking is at 34th. The subscriber ranking is 127th and then video view rank is 159th. She ranked at 46th in US. 37th in entertainment. Next, daily subs for SSSniperWolf channel is around 26.6k with a daily view of 21,810,831. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 21,800,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for SSSniperWolf will be $87,200. Thus, monthly income will be $2,616,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. As a result, monthly income will be $1,438,800 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $17,265,600. That is how much SSSniperWolf earned from YouTube.